Well, we paid for it. I know. We can pull it, or we can put that in the car and keep going.
Yeah, I say get the Reynolds. That's like a... Whoa. Yeah, get the Reynolds and ruin their thing.
Check the, we gotta talk to a rep. I don't even know if they'll let us be quiet. We need to talk to a rep first.
Yeah.
They called for flat plus. They had to call it for flat.
When I checked it last, it said 30%. I was like, oh, okay, that's good.
Yeah.
What's that 60? Where'd you get that number?
Seriously, you know what everyone's going to do now? Everyone's going to go back. They're going to have a run on the half-off paint. Everybody's just going to stop.
Sack them, yeah.
We'll come back when the weather doesn't suck.
Yeah.
No, rep.
Oh, well then, hell, let's go. Well, we got to switch his gun out there.
I didn't know if they would let us though.
Yeah.
All right, so they'll let you keep playing.
Should bought a poncho like him, smart behind.
I didn't know what's coming up. Oh shit! There's a whole bunch of them. There's like 4 right there. We're too far out, we're too far out. Coming up, guys. There they go! Y'all, there's 3 of them right there, y'all. Well, you can see what they're shooting at because the CO2 coming up the input. You see him, Casey? There's a whole bunch of them right there. I'm trying to see what they're at. You see him? You know what I'm saying, really? I'm trying to go up a little more. Yeah, look at that. There's one there. What? Dead end? You ran out?
Hey, yo, I think you can move up. You're safe to move up. Go ahead. I'm going to take your spot. Keep going up. You're up. You're up, baby. Wow, damn. I'm doing ammo. Straight back that way. Alright, where? Alright, I see him. He's moving back. No, he's still there, I'm gonna move up. I can move up. Yeah, I'm gonna move up. He told him to stay right there and give us some cover fire. Hold on. He's dead. Hold on. He's fucking far away. I don't know if I can get him. That's not a good area. Don't move. Move down a little bit lower. Don't move. He's right there. Don't move. Yeah, I think he got a bead on him. He's sitting right there in the tree. He's right in front of him. No, that is your freaking what? 9, I guess? Yeah, your left. Yeah, he's sitting by the tree. Yeah, they're coming back here now. No, we had a whole flock on the left. We couldn't really move as far as we can get. I got one dude. He was like this. I was like, I know you out, man. I know you felt that shit. Yeah, the whole squad was on the left side. That's freaking fine. This just came out the end. Huh? No, I ain't get shot. Yeah, I got shot out somebody. Trying to hide it. Like, he was right here in this little twig. I'm like, what are you doing? Yeah, I can see everything. And he's drawing for the best. I would say 100 and some, well worth it. The border is just, like, I can see everything. Yeah, it's barely fogging at all. No, $100 not supposed to fog. Or they'll give you your money back. But it ain't fogging yet. That's the thing, when you have rain, it fogs up, but it's doing beautiful.
I'm going to buy one like this?
No, you have to get it online. It's a die 4. No, expensive. Oh.
Just when I was walking toward you.
Yeah, I saw you wave like this. You might need one of those little things, man.
I got shot like fucking
Look, like, never know.